All right, let's answer a question now. Byron from Illinois writes, I would like to get the panel's thoughts, particularly Steve Weiss, on freight rates dropping recently. The stocks have been under pressure. I think he's being nice. I thought this guy Byron was asking about FedEx, and he wasn't that happy that it's been dropping like a stone, Weiss. What do you tell him now?
Yeah, me neither. As a matter of fact, I sold it yesterday. I got out of that and got out of Facebook as well. 2 trades that didn't see all the profits evaporate, but saw a good chunk of them. Look, if you take a look at the Baltic Dry Index, which measures shipping rates, Panamax, et cetera, it actually closely correlates to freight in the U.S., meaning rails, meaning the freight carriers like UPS and FedEx. So as that's gone down, and frankly, I should have paid more attention to it because it's been in a steady drop, except for a spike earlier this year. That's just a harbinger of things to come. So that's why FedEx has been down in addition to the economy. So I'm not going back in here. I think I'll be able to get it back at around 200 or lower if I want to trade at that point. But it's a trade that, could have lost a lot on, just made a little to pay the commissions in a trade-free environment.
So XPO is down a lot today, too, and recently it's down 5% or thereabouts again today. Weiss, you own that. Talked about it a lot.
Yep.
Jenny, you own that. Surratt, you own that, too. Now, what about these stocks? I mentioned Surratt when I was going through that thing earlier about these cyclical areas of the market, which you have a fair amount of exposure to. Now, here's another example of it with XPO. 32% off of its year high.
It is, and they've spun off GXO. They're spinning off again another piece of their business. It's a cyclical trade, and this is the one that's direct and center when the Fed's raising rates and people are focused on, hey, are we going into a recession? So the first thing they do is sell these secular stocks. I like it. I think Brad Jacobs done a fabulous job. This company is going to be investment grade. They're growing their earnings, their cash flow. I would be patient, and I would be adding more at these levels. I think the stock is really cheap and definitely oversold.